Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Okay, Capricorn. Now, for those of you that are single, I feel like everything that has been going on with you, like relationships, situations with family, friends, just everything that has basically brought you to where you are right now, things were supposed to take place because it is definitely transforming you and it is definitely awakening you. And Spirit is saying that you had to learn how to set boundaries. You had to learn how to stand up more for yourself. Stop taking advice from other people. Just start listening to your own intuition. And it's like, yeah, because you had a hard time, I feel like, trusting yourself. And maybe you have a hard time trusting and or believing in others because people did break your trust. They broke your heart in the past. So Spirit is saying that you basically, you could be doing this right now or you're getting ready to do it, but they're needing you to kind of like disconnect from everything, whether it's like people, friends, even social media. They need you to kind of like take a step back because you need to reflect. You need to reflect. There's something that you're supposed to be looking into, doing, growing spiritually. Maybe they just want you to focus on you getting your stuff together. Because, you know, y'all are Capricorns. Y'all are very determined, very hard-working individuals. I do feel like when it comes to your love life, by you removing yourself away from, you know, people, situations that just no longer serves you, you're actually calling in your soulmate. There's somebody that's coming in for you. And this person that's going to come in is going to be the one for you. But Spirit is saying it's like the universe had to shake some things up in your life to get you away from whatever you were entertaining in the past in order for this soulmate to come in. Now, for others of you, this is the second way. So I'm seeing where you guys were dealing with someone from your past. This person definitely broke your trust, right? And they know they did because I'm picking up their energy. I do feel like there could have been like some type of, how am I trying to say this? Because this part isn't for everybody. Like traditional values. Like, I don't know if there were like two different religions or that's why I said it's not for everybody. I'm feeling that for somebody very specific. And I do feel like maybe family played a part into the reason why you guys could not be together because of like religious beliefs, values, tradition. And I feel like even though this person grew up believing in this particular tradition, that they're trying to stand up for themselves because it's like they're kind of like, how am I trying to say this? Y'all throwing my head back, like, because I don't want to confuse y'all, but they're trying their best to kind of go in a new direction when it comes to traditional beliefs. Yeah, they're trying to break free because it's like they're looking at it from a completely new way. That's why I said it's not, that was not for everybody. For others of you, that kind of ties in with it. If it's not like dealing with religion, I do feel like this person is transforming. They are awakening and they're trying to love themselves more. I feel like there could have been like some kind of insecurity issue or there's some insecurities within themselves. And it's like they basically lashed out to you due to the fact of how they were feeling deep down inside, but kind of like, I'm getting so much, that's why I'm pausing, y'all, sorry. It's like they lashed out at you and they were portraying how they felt about themselves and they put it on you like you did something wrong. And the thing is, this is why this person is keeping their distance from you right now. And I'm not saying that to say like they're not thinking about you, but there is some distance. I don't know if y'all live at a distance or they're just keeping their distance from you, but they know that they broke your trust. They know this. It could be a situation to where this person is dealing with someone or they're just in some type of situation that they're not happy with. And they're manifesting you back to come back into their lives. Like they're calling you back in because they know that you're the one for them. But whatever they're going through, I definitely feel like they're reflecting. They're regretting their decisions, and they know that they want to be with you, but it's something that they have to clean up within themselves first. Capricorn, that's what we're doing today. Alright. Alright, let's just hop in. Lord. Alright. Alright, Spirit. General reading for my Capricorns. Bottom of the deck, I have the Queen of Pentacles reversed. And I kept seeing her the whole time I was shuffling. So I'm not even surprised that she popped out like that. So some of you guys could definitely be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. This could be you guys not wanting to put any more time or effort into this individual or into a situation. But remember what I told you, this was somebody else I was picking up on. I feel like this person wants to come back towards you, but they're feeling like you are not going to put any more time or effort into them. Like you're not even willing to hear them out. So let's see. Somebody feels like things may not improve. I do feel like there was some type of third party interference here that they're trying to get out of. But there was something that was going on here, guys, that this person didn't bring balance when it came to you. I do feel like somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this person doesn't have a peace of mind. And for others of you, if they're in a situation, it's like I'm picking up like they feel stuck. Remember I told you this person is calling you in. So I feel like, remember I told you they're in a situation, whether it's with like with a romantic person, family, friends, career, whatever it is, they're manifesting you. They messed up. So it's like they don't have a peace of mind right now, but they want to have a victory with you. They really do, Capricorn. Let's see. They're not content with how things played out. They may not even be content with their finances. Let's see. I do feel like this person was a player in the past, and they were always rushing in and out of your life. But I do feel like they want to rush in because they do want to say something to you. And see, the Eight of Wands just tried to jump out, but it didn't. I'm telling you, this person wants to communicate to you. They know that they didn't bring balance in the situation in the past. You were the one doing everything. And this is why they're taking their time. They're moving slow to come back towards you, Capricorn. See, they want to offer you the Ace of Cups. They want to definitely offer you this overflowing cup of love. But see, here she is again. I'm telling y'all, they feel like if they come back to give you this offer, you do not want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them because they have always been in and out of your life. Every time you guys try to give them another chance, it's like things were cool for a couple of days, weeks, few months, and then they just ran back out. And it's like they know you're tired of it. They feel like you're not going to take them seriously. See? The Lovers. The way the Lovers just came out, you guys could be dealing with the Gemini, but I'm telling you, this person, they want to be with you. They love you. It's like they know you are the one. The problem is they cause an imbalance within the situation, within the relationship. See? They didn't make you happy, and they're not happy within themselves because of what they did. This is why this person is afraid that things may not improve if they come back in and give you the offer of love. Yeah, they stabbed you in the back one too many times. One too many times. And it's like they're hoping that you can forgive them. See? Look, I'm telling you, there's communication coming in. They definitely want to talk to you. If you haven't heard from this person, they're thinking about you all of the time. And they want to talk to you. Look at that. I'm telling you, they want to turn things around. They want to work things out with you, Capricorn. But they're saying they're just not taking a leap right now. They're just not. I'm telling you, you're not hearing from this person. Whoever this is resonating for, I feel like they keep doing this like back and forth situation. Like they want to talk to you, but they're not. At one point, they feel like they lost you for good. But it's like, I feel like for some of them, they had an epiphany. I'm telling you, they know you're it. So, they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio, but remember I just said some of them had an epiphany. I feel like this is why they're going through their transformation. They're going through their awakening here. See, there's the Emperor. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Aries, but this person, they want stability with you, but they're having a hard time right now. They're having a hard time. For some of them, your person, definitely, I'm feeling ego, pride, and they had to basically humble themselves. They had to come out of that energy, you know, and I feel like they had a hard time doing it, but they're slowly but surely taking care of that. But they know that you're disappointed in them. But if there was some type of third-party situation going on, they are removing themselves from it, Capricorn. But they feel like because you're disappointed in them, the seeds that they planted with you in the past, it's just not going to grow. You know, they don't want to argue with you anymore. They don't want to cause any more conflict. See, this person is retreat from you because they do want a new beginning. They're thinking. Yeah, see, they're thinking because they don't know how to go about doing this. They don't know what to even say, what to even do. You know, because it's like they could have dropped you in the past by leaving you out in the cold, or they're feeling like if they're going to come back towards you, you're going to drop them. You know, I feel like they're afraid that you're going to treat them like they've treated you in the past. But see, this person learned their lesson. They definitely did. The wheel is turning and they want to move forward with you. Look at what did I just say? They're wanting to move forward with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. You can't make this up. See, Three of Cups reversed. This person, I'm telling you, if there was a third party, they're removing themselves from this situation because they know you're the one that they want to be with. There was somebody I feel like that was interfering and were keeping them stuck, and they're moving away from this individual. Yeah, see, at one point, this person was just moving slow. I feel like they were confused. They didn't know what they wanted to do. That's why it was a lot of in and out energy. But they're turning that around. I feel like they're wanting to pick up the pace. They're wanting to move fast because, see, they want to start over and build something solid with you, but they just don't have the strength to do it. They're scared. Somebody's dealing with a Leo here. Let's see. Tell me more, please. Yeah, they're sad. I'm telling you, they're sad. They could have taken a financial hit. And they don't know what to do, or they're sad because they feel like your guard is up. That's why they're undecided about how to go about doing this. There was a Tower here. Clarify this Tower. So there was some type of shakeup. Yeah, and see, now they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. But Spirit is saying they made a decision. And whatever this is, they're coming out of being frustrated about it. But there's something that's not balanced out on their end. Something took place. I feel like the universe said that they took too long, like, to make a decision to come back towards you. So there was a Tower moment that was created on their end to get them moving. Because there's something that's not right on their end. Something's not balanced. Tell me more. But Spirit is saying, like, at one point they weren't confident. Now they are. They are. But see, they're still dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This person is, like, back and forth. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the Devil, please. See? Okay. Remember what I told you guys? Somebody that they were dealing with is holding on to them tight. I see two people here. It was definitely like a toxic situation. And somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But somebody was holding on tight. And they're scared. It's like there's a little bit of fear here that you're not going to take them back. See? Because they left you out in the cold for this other individual. And y'all know I say all the time, even though I'm seeing two men here, it could be two women. You know? Just take it however it fits. But I'm telling you, this person left you out in the cold because there was somebody else. And see, now they don't want you to walk away. That's why I'm picking up this fear. You know, they're scared because they chose the wrong path. They made the wrong decision. See, this person was being sneaky. They were being sneaky. And it could have been somebody from their past, but I feel like they look at you because they want you in their future. But see, they're just not saying anything. The way the Ace of Swords just fell out, it's like they want to communicate with you. They want to talk to you about having, hopefully having a new opportunity with you. But at the same time, they're not saying anything because they're frustrated about what they did to you in the past, being sneaky, entertaining someone else, or listening to someone else. Yep, and this is why they're not being positive, you know. And so I do feel like they're coming back. They want to give you an offer, but it is going to be a small offer because they know that, oh, this person, it's like